What's up, beauty crew? Welcome back to SheDoesBeauty, and if you're new, hello. So before we get too started into the design, I just wanted to give you guys kind of a sneak peek of the new nail room. And once we have a little bit more content and once the house is a little bit more built up, we're gonna be adding those videos on the second channel, on the SabrinaMonique one. So if you're excited about that, make sure you like this video and go check out that channel. And there's no videos on it yet, but there will be, I promise. So yeah, so for this design, we are going to be doing a yellow fall design. I am using the color Yucca by Wapizima Nails. I'll go ahead and link that down below. And then I am just taking some chunky gold glitter that I got off of Etsy, and I mixed that with clear, and I'm just gonna do a glitter ombre fade. So once you fade that glitter to your liking, we're gonna go ahead and encapsulate the entire nail. I will say I am super excited for the house. I'm so ready to decorate that new nail room. I am going to be doing a tour of my current nail setup and doing kind of like a collection and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for that video. And I'm definitely going to be doing videos on me decorating and setting up the new place. So I'm so ready for those. I'm so ready to decorate. I'm ready to make memories, and yeah, I'm just so excited, and I'm glad that you guys will be here with us on this journey of our new home, and I'm very, very excited. And I just thank you guys for sticking with us and sticking with me and SheDoesBeauty. Now once our pinky is all encapsulated, we are going to do our ring finger, and we are going to be using, first of all, by the Nail Heaven Supply or Nail Supply Heaven. Your girl has like dyslexia and I keep messing those up and whatever, okay? So I'll link that down below, and that's how you will know. Just always read the description because I mess up sometimes when I'm talking, so everything down in the description will be accurate. But we just applied that all over the nail. Next, I am taking some gold and some kind of like gold shifty kind of color ones. I don't know if you kind of see that third one has like a shift to it. So I'm adding those. I'll put the link down below also. I'm adding those to the nails, and then I'm going to encapsulate the entire thing. As you can see, I'm a little obsessed with these frosted nails. If you want to check out the frosted snowflake design I just did, I am in love. I'll go ahead and link that down below or on the screen, so don't forget to check that video out. But these frosted nails are such a like trendy thing right now, and I just love them. Like, they look super cool, you know, once you put that matte polish on and just leave it that frosty matte effect. It just adds a lot to the set itself. And don't forget, this guy may look a little chunky and a little thick, but that's okay. We just want to make sure our encapsulated design is not going anywhere. It's not going to file off. I don't mind when like the edges file off too much because I feel like it's a little bit more of a natural effect, and I just like the way it looks. So I kind of leave like the tips of the leaves out without it bugging me. But it's all up to you, all your preference. Just make sure that once all your design's encapsulated, you're just gonna work on the nail a little bit harder to just smooth it out, make him a little less thick. Now, once you have your confetti all encapsulated, we are going to move on to the middle finger. And for this one, we are just going to do a solid color because I'm going to do a little bit of bling bling. I like to do solid colors when I'm doing the bling nails because I feel like when I do too much glitter, the bling kind of blends in with the glitter. So I like for it to have its own blank canvas and stand out. So we're just gonna do that color yucca all over and encapsulate that with clear. Now after we encapsulate that nail, we're going to go to the pointer finger and we're going to close the design with the same glitter and yellow ombre that we did on the pinky. For my freestyles and design nails, I usually like to do cute pinky and pointer and thumbs. Those ones are all about similar. They always have something to do with glitter, and I like to put the main focus, the bling, the attention on the ring finger and the middle finger. I just feel like, I don't know, it kind of flows well to me. I remember back in the day we would always do the ring finger and pointer finger. So it's just crazy how times change and how our eye changes, you know, because to me I'm like, it looks good, but you know, doing the two together looks even better to me. So again, it's all preference. If you like the, you know, like every other one with a different design, that's totally up to you and what your client wants. So since I don't have the red iguana hand that has the thumb attached to it, we're only going to be doing these 4 nails, but again, I would just repeat the process of the gold glitter ombre on the thumb. So next you're going to file, shape, and buff your nails, and then we'll come back to check them out, and then we'll do our top coat. And okay, looking real cute, but let's add some bling to that middle finger just to make it stand out a little bit more, you know? So I'm just gonna use a mixture of these round rhinestones. These are 80 rhinestones from Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below for those. And then they're a mixture of like size 12, size 10, and size like 5. And we're just gonna do a little bit of nail art using that on the cuticle. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I am using the Zule Bling adhesive. It is my favorite. I swear those stones do not go anywhere, and I just love it so much. A little hack, make sure you keep it in the fridge because sometimes it just depends on where you live, but it may dry out the glue. So just keep it in a cold area so that you know if you're not using it at this moment, you'll be able to use it later. Now once we have our bling to our liking, we're going to add our top coats. So I'm going to be using the Beetles matte and Beetles shiny top coats. I'm going to be using the matte only on the frosted nails so that I can give it more of that frosted matte effect. And then we're going to add the shiny top coat on all the rest of the nails. Also, leave a comment down below if you would like another fall nail design or if you would like me to continue with the Christmas nails because I'm so excited for Christmas and I love the snowflakes, but I can do more fall nails until then. But I don't know, I haven't decorated my house yet, so let me know if you have, you know, because I kind of want to decorate. But we'll see because we are moving and stuff soon, so I don't know, kind of wait till we get that timeline going, I guess, right? But voila! And here we are with the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this fall nail art design. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want more. And if you're new, I hope you join our family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!